really strong. Watch this. Whoa.
Hey, Life of the Box here. Today I will be reviewing the CarPodGo T3 Pro, a portable wireless CarPlay device packed with a bunch of features. The sleek unit boasts a fully laminated 1920 by 720 Retina display with 16.7 million colors and 700 nit brightness, making sure everything looks crystal clear even in bright sunlight. It also has 60 frames per second wireless CarPlay and an incredible fast 12-second startup. In this video, I'll show you what's inside the box, walk you through the menu system, and show you how to install it in your car. Stick around and let's see if this product is right for you. If you're new to my channel, I review Tesla and other car accessories with a real life perspective. I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe, and now let's get into the unboxing.
Alright, so let's take a look at what is in the box. Backup camera, the connected wires, suction mount cup, this looks like the audio USB adapter. Right, and here is the display unit. So let's open this up. Alright, so let's look at the accessories behind this box first. 12 volt power, got an on off button here, which is a nice touch. And we've got a 5 volt 2.4 amp USB plug, and then this is a USB-C, which is going to be connecting, powering the display. USB-C to regular USB adapter. Mount. We've got several types of mounts here. This is probably just a spare. And another user manual. Now let's take a closer look at the display itself. It's actually pretty heavy. Let's see how much this thing weighs. So I'm gonna put it on the scale. We are at 485 grams here, and we're gonna make sure that these mounts have to be pretty strong in order to hold this up. So this is the strong magnetic base. Please pull hard to remove. Wow, really strong. Watch this. Whoa. And it comes with this little screen protector here. Everything is very high quality plastic. Got some vents here, might be speakers. If you look on the side, just only on the left side, we have USB-C. So this will probably connect to, well, we can get some data out of here. We have the microphone, AV in. This is going to be where you will connect your backup camera. And then we have the audio, Bluetooth audio, have the power USB. So this is where you're going to charge up your power. Anyways, let's boot it up and see how the software and everything performs. Alright, so now we're going to plug it in and see how the device operates. Grab the 12 volt power cable. Alright, so let's plug it in. The other end, what we're going to do is plug it to the unit. We're going to just have that aimed downwards. Alright, so that's in. And let's see if we get any sort of response here. If not, then we are going to try and turn on the power button here. Right? 3, 2, 1. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. CarPodGo. Alright, so let's go through each one of these. Anything that slides down, you can see the brightness adjust while I'm doing this. Nothing on the right, left, nothing on the right. Okay, so the first one. Please turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi of your phone, then connect Bluetooth of that code on your iPhone and select pairing. Let's go back, we'll do that later. This one is probably Android. We'll go back here. We've got under system, we can choose the language. We can choose date and time. Well, that's kind of cool. We can do image setting, static, track line. And the next one is Bluetooth, which is the name, auto connect. We can choose auto connect. And then we go under display, we got night view. Okay, so we can choose if we actually want night view or not. And the time it will activate, so it's not automatic. We've got the brightness, so we can choose. Alright, so And there's also a built-in light sensor which can detect the amount of light that you need. And then we've got wallpaper, so we can choose the wallpaper in the background. It's cool. Alright, now we can choose a logo, so whatever your car, Tesla, whatever. Yeah, so we can choose the logo. Okay, and then CarPlay settings. So if your car is right-hand drive or left-hand drive, the mode here we can choose 60 frames per second and 10-second timeout, return CarPlay. Alright, going to volume. So we can choose the media, navigation, and the phone volume. Okay, so in terms of audio output, there's 3 different types. You can choose FM radio, auxiliary, and through the speaker, but I don't think there are speakers built into this unit. Right, and then the last one is about, and then you can see the version that you have. Alright, so now let's connect this unit to Bluetooth to access CarPlay. Okay, so going to your phone, right, and then we are going to try to discover and find this unit, which is right here. So PND 2054, PND 2054, we're just going to click that. Yep, and we are going to pair. We're not going to allow contacts for now. Right, so now it says we are connected, and it says connect iPhone connected. Use CarPlay with CarPodGo. Yes, use CarPlay. Alright, so now it says CarPlay connecting, and boom. That was fast. Now that we are connected through CarPlay, let's take a quick look at how snappy this device is. So this should be at 60 frames. This should be at 60 frames per second, meaning that it should be nice and crisp when you are scrolling. Seems to be so. So I mean, I don't really have to go through CarPlay settings with you, but everyone kind of knows what to expect with CarPlay. Alright, now on to installing it into your vehicle. So they give you again certain types of mounts. So you've got this one, they extended the arm, right? So you can do that. And then if you have a more of a flat surface in your vehicle, then you can just use the regular flat adhesive and just kind of stick that, you know, like here, right? Suitable for these kind of places. And then we've also got this flat patch here. So you're gonna do that. And then you're gonna use this suction mount and put that over it, just so you get a little bit more better suction here. Now it is a little bit more difficult to install this on my car here, just because, you know, this little every surface here is a bit round. But then I guess like every vehicle is different, but there will certainly be, you know, one way to get this installed. Right, so now let's take a look at the screen, and you can judge for yourself, you know, where you can actually put this 9-inch screen without, you know, blocking your vision here of driving. Right, so for me, I'm probably going to, you know, put it somewhere around here. For this video demonstration purposes, I'm just going to install it here, somewhere around here, just to give you guys an idea of how it looks, and, you know, what it looks like in daytime, right? See if the screen is bright enough or not. Yeah, but I'll put it somewhere around like here for now. All right, so that's the plan right now. Let's do it. Okay, so first we're gonna grab the arm here, and then finding this ball end, we're gonna attach the magnet to it. So what we're gonna do is loosen this, and then just push it in. It'll clip right in. And then to tighten it, just turn it back. And then that's where the magnet is. Okay, and then you can unscrew this to extend the arm here. And then you can also adjust this to adjust the angle. Okay, so let's remove this. And this is activated through a suction mount. Right, so I'm gonna place it right here on my dash here. And boom.
super strong. So instructions say that don't leave it hanging. The bottom needs to be touching because it's just way too heavy. So make sure that the screen is touching the car on the bottom. And now let's plug it in with a 12 volt. Okay, so it does also come with a rear view camera. You would plug it in through the AV port using this plug here. Okay, and then it does come with this red wire. And now what this red wire is, you're going to connect that to your reverse wire. So anytime you hit the reverse, it'll sense the power. And then the image on through the camera will be shown on the display. Now to go tell you how to install it, what we're going to do is basically run the cable through this grommet here. All the cars are about the same. Just pull it down and then you run the cable along here to the pillar, then connect it to the other side. Same thing, just run it through there. And then once you get to the bottom here, you can kind of fish it to the back. And now in the back, you have two options to install the camera. So one is kind of behind the back. If you have a hatchback car, it makes it a little easier. Or the other option is you can just place it under by your license plate. It will get dirty, but good angle right there. After using the CarPodGo for a few weeks, I found its 8.9-inch display to be one of the brightest and clearest I've come across, performing well in any lighting situation. The unit's speed and responsiveness makes it a breeze to use. In short, the CarPodGo is a fantastic in-car upgrade, featuring a sharp 8.9-inch touchscreen, seamless CarPlay and Android Auto, along with the Bluetooth, GPS, and FM transmission. If you're looking for a fast, versatile, and easy to use device, this is a great choice. Check the link in the description to grab one and support my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.